I want to show you guys this really cool voice AI agent that I created inside of ElevenLabs. And the cool thing with this AI agent, I can connect it up to my Twilio phone number to handle inbound calls for me. And that's really useful for business owners that sometimes miss calls. Let's take Mike's Plumbing, for example. If they're on the job and they miss a call, it can automatically get forwarded to this AI agent and connect up with this AI agent. And the AI agent takes care of everything from answering questions, offering free resources, and also scheduling people into the calendar. You can see right here, we've got Mike Johnson booked into my calendar for next Wednesday at 10 a.m. I didn't even lift a finger. The whole conversation and the transcript is added automatically to my CRM. You can see right here with the full transcript of the conversation that was had. And Mike was also added into my CRM. So this is Airtable, by the way. Mike Johnson. I have information about his business. He's looking to automate this. It shows that he was sent the free ebook, and then he even opted out to future communications. The AI agent even asks our users, hey, in the future, are you happy for us to reach out with additional offers and resources? If they say yes, the status is active. If no, it's inactive. We can throw all of our customers and leads into email marketing campaigns in the future, or just any outreach campaign in the future. And then we're logging the entire conversation to their specific record. So the conversation date, the summary, and the whole transcript. Now, this AI agent that you're seeing right here inside of ElevenLabs has access to our MCP server, which gives it access to external tools. So I connected it up to make.com to several of my tools. These are what they look like. So for my lead magnet, this is what that looks like. And then for scheduling events, I have these three automations. This one is for calendar context. This one is to check my availability inside of both of my calendars because I have two calendars. And then this one is to finally schedule the lead or the customer into my calendar for me, and then add them to my CRM if they're not added already. So each one of these tools that you're seeing right here, my AI agent in ElevenLabs has access to execute these. And it's basically like giving my AI agent, my voice AI agent, some muscles. And then at the very end of every single conversation, it's sending all of the data over to this webhook where we're aggregating the entire conversation that was had, so the transcript, and then we're updating their record and the general AI agent conversations table, which is this guy, just a list of every single conversation that takes place with our AI agent. That's essentially the whole setup. I want to show you guys right now in real time what it sounds like.
Hey, this is Auto Mason with Automate What? Would you like a free ebook filled with automation ideas for every industry?
Sure.
Great, I can send that right over. What's your full name, please?
Mike Anderson.
Thanks, Mike. And what's your email address so I can send the ebook to you?
automatewhatdemo@gmail.com.
Thanks, Mike. Just to confirm, your email address is automatewhatdemo@gmail.com, correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Great, thanks for confirming. Are you happy for us to contact you with additional offers and resources?
No thanks.
All right, no problem at all. I'll make sure to just send you the ebook. You should receive the ebook in your inbox shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, so I was scrolling TikTok the other day, and Mason had a video talking about how he has some kind of setup that helps business owners get more Google reviews through some kind of automation or SMS sequence follow-up. I want to learn more about that.
All right, let me pull some details together for you. I'll be right back with a clear answer. Yes, Mason does offer an automation solution for Google reviews. It involves sending automated SMS messages to your customers after they've received your service. These messages are designed to collect feedback and provide them with a direct link to your Google My Business page, making it easy for them to leave a review. It's a great way to streamline the review collection process and boost your online presence. Would you be interested in scheduling a 15-minute discovery call with Mason to discuss how this could work for your specific business?
Yeah, I would.
Okay, I can definitely help you with that. Mason works with businesses worldwide. What time zone are you in?
I'm in New York.
Mason's hours are Monday, Thursday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mountain Time. For you in New York, that would be 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. What date and time would you like to book your meeting?
Yeah, what about next Wednesday, maybe 2 p.m. my time?
Okay, let me go check availability and gather what I need to get this scheduled correctly. Hang tight, I'll fill you in shortly. All right, I'll run that through the system and check a couple of things. I'll let you know what I find in just a bit. Great news. next Wednesday, August 6th at 2 p.m. Your time, which is 12 p.m. Mountain Time, is available. What is your full name and email address for the calendar invite? Should I use the same name and email address as before, Mike Anderson and automatewhatdemo@gmail.com?
Yeah, you can use the same name and email address, please.
Perfect. 2 more quick questions before I book it. Can you briefly describe your business in 1 to 2 sentences? And what are you hoping to automate?
Yeah, I'm just a plumber offering basic standard plumbing services, and I'm looking to automate that to get more Google reviews. Whatever that looks like, that's what I want.
Awesome. Let me get you booked in Mason's calendar. Your discovery call with Mason for next Wednesday, August 6th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time has been successfully booked. You should receive a calendar invite shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it.
Glad I could help you get that discovery call scheduled, Mike. Have a great day.
Boom, just like that. Now, at any moment, ElevenLabs, okay, just right now, ElevenLabs concluded with the AI summary and everything that it needed to do. It fired off all the information to this post-call webhook right here, and then we aggregated the entire transcript and updated all of the necessary information inside of our CRM. So if we go back to our CRM, we can see Mike Anderson was added. We have About Business, looking to automate. He received a free ebook. He opted out of our email communications or just communications in general. We have his summary, so the conversation summary. The user, Mike Anderson, requested a free ebook and provided his name and email. He declined additional offers. The agent then scheduled a discovery call for Mike with Mason to discuss automating Google reviews for his plumbing business. The call is set for August 6th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, and then the entire transcript right here. And we also logged the entire conversation inside of just our general table for AI agent conversations. Now, again, one of the most valuable use cases that I see for this technology, voice AI agents, is for call forwarding, right? The initial point of contact goes to maybe a human, to the business owner. Maybe it's a one-man band, right? And they're busy on the job servicing a client and they miss a call. Well, we can set up some call forwarding that automatically connects them to this AI agent to take care of everything for the business owner. That way the customer on the other end doesn't just hang up and dial another number for Joe's Plumbing down the street, and whoever picks up first and can get to their house the fastest basically wins the business. That's just one of many use cases. Maybe you don't have a receptionist because you don't have the money to pay for a receptionist. Well, boom, here you go, a very extremely cost-effective receptionist for you that handles calls 24/7, right? You don't have to pay an actual human around the clock to answer phone calls for you. This guy will take care of everything for you. This video, I just wanted to showcase this. And if you guys want the blueprint files to every single one of these make.com tools and this post-call webhook automation, I have the whole template for you guys over in my free community, so Automate What Academy. You can find the link to it down below, and then just head over to the classroom right here, and underneath free resources, you'll find it right here, underneath build showcases. And then of course, if you want the files along with the full breakdown tutorial video, it's about 90 minutes long, and I go into extreme detail going over my entire system prompt, how I structure it. So there are some tips and tricks, some really useful strategies and lessons that I learned along the way just through lots of trial and error. I go over each one of these tabs and how I configure it. And then at the very end, I even show you how to deploy one of these widgets onto a website. So this guy right here for Mike's Plumbing, you can have a widget that shows up like this. But anyway, back to the Pro community, Automate What Academy Pro. You can find the link to it down below inside the classroom in the templates library. I just barely posted it today, actually. You can find the full video right here, how to purchase a Twilio phone number and how to integrate that with ElevenLabs, with of course all of the template files. In my opinion, this is one of the best AI automation solutions that you can just take and run with and sell to business owners. It has so much value. If you can offer any solution to a business owner that helps generate more revenue, capture more leads, and turn those leads into paying customers, that's worth gold. Anyway, thanks for watching this video today. If you haven't already, go ahead, subscribe. I'm going to be posting more here on YouTube. My main channel has been on TikTok for the past 1.5 years, but I'm really trying to take YouTube more serious. So go ahead, hit subscribe, and of course, come join us over in Automate What Academy. Lots more content and free resources there for you guys. Thanks, guys.